A very good morning to you, friends and viewers. I am going to sit outside with Gremlin for the first time since Friday. Gremlin is not looking good. I'm going to show you what Gremlin looks like in a minute. But he or she is better. I do need to go and finish my garage and outside room project. One of my viewers asked, Sunit, what happened to those orange organized containers that you have? And I said to him, I actually need to show you. I'm not vlogging everything because that's going to be like a up to a part 10 vlog. So I'm doing stuff that I'm not vlogging. Should be finishing the terrible little outside room today, and I need to go and finish the sorting of the screws, the nuts and the bolts and the washers today. I just need to do that. But everything came to a standstill with Gremlin's condition. It was really a fight for Gremlin's life, and it just absorbed all my time and all my attention that I have, because being in the cage all the time, I need to feed it every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes. It wants something to eat. It's eating a huge amount of food, and it is very thin. But in any case, that's where we're at, and I'm going to do my first part of editing. I didn't post a video yesterday because I'm behind with my editing, and I'm going to just try and get a video out there today. You must have a wonderful day, a blessed day, and enjoy this day, and hope you will enjoy my day with me. The state of Gremlin. Yo, I don't know what happened to the right leg now, because the right side, I think the Fiscal Shrike came and messed with Gremlin in the little cage yesterday. So I can't even leave Gremlin unsupervised hanging on the hook on the stop, because it's the left side that actually got damaged most. And yesterday when I came out, he was sitting on the bottom of the cage, and the right leg is now a problem. Video. Video is going to try and destroy the. My morning coffee. That is my second cup. Gremlin's feeding tray. This is his favorite, the cherry, strawberry and pomegranate. He doesn't really like the peach very much, strangely enough. The mixed berries is also a favorite. And then this is the hand rearing porridge, just to get some seed nutrition in him. And then I do have mealworms, but the mealworms I must keep inside because the other birds will come and devour it if it's standing outside. I must just put a blanket on top of Rio's cage because he's now trying to chip away at this little tray. And then I try not to complain about my health and my condition on my YouTube channel. But it hasn't been going well since the beginning of this year. I feel that there's definitely a flare-up. I can't sit for long. I think that's also why the packing of the garage and the outside room is taking so long, because I do it in short stunts, and I must lie down, and this is my makeshift bed that I made for myself. Then I must guard over Gremlin. If I can't sit anymore, then I lie down here. Right on, yeah?
A stuck feather. It's happy. Happy? What do you have in your bowl, sweetie? Go and get rid of it. Put your mouth in the water. No, Happy, get that feather off. You can't eat nicely like that, Happy. And you won't let me take it off either. You'll run away from me. Okay, Sunny the drake in the front. And little Happy with a feather stuck to the bottom of the bowl. Who's coming in next? Matilda on the left and Puddles on the right.
Are you hearing yourself, Booby?
Hardy doll. Having a bath in the bird bath. Shame. Or having a drink. Hardy doll having a drink in the bird bath. No. And Rio going nuts. Absolutely going nuts. In the water. Ria
brought me this yesterday, amongst other stuff for my birthday. And I'm telling you, it is flippin' delicious. It is delicious. I can really recommend this.
Look at this. I'm eating these little pineapple coconut clusters now. And Rio is now asking, because if he hears a packet, then he thinks it's a cheese call. So what am I going to do? Am I going to give him one of these clusters? I'll give him a cheese call. Let me show you. Cheese call, Bobby. Did you think Mommy was eating a cheese call? Ria?
Right. You can see this. I just thought that maybe I must show you what these little coconut pineapple clusters look like. It's about the size of my thumb, a little bit bigger. It's really delicious. It really is. Starting to preen again. Maybe that's a good sign. The southern red bishops are losing their colour that they get to look gorgeous for the females during breeding season. And now they're actually looking a bit ugly and scruffy. There you can see, there's a good male to see. Oops, okay. It looks like there is fire in the distance. Yes, it does. And Rio is making a terrible racket. It is Tuesday, the 12th of March, and I'm going to let Gremlin out just to fly a little bit for the first time after he's been eaten up 3 times, almost. I'm doing it here in the back where the guava tree is, because both Bentley and Chloe is in the front. Okay, here Gremlin is. It's not looking too great. Hey, Baba. Just kissing it a little bit. Because I want to. Okay. Oh. Okay. Just going to get a chair. Where is my little Gremlin now? Oh, there. Okay, there Gremlin is. I must spray my guavas.